Let's get this pasta party started. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is unboxing a pasta dryer. Made in Italy. It's gotta be authentic, can't get better than that. However, I got duped by Amazon. I paid $69.99 for this pasta dryer. And then later on I started looking around and everybody else sells this thing for $44.99. So Amazon is not always your best deal. Shop around. I got burned and I won't let that happen again. Not only that, the handling of my product was not with the utmost of care. The bag was ripped open. The box it came in is beat to hell. I mean, the bottom of the box was already open. There's a hole in it right here. There's a big old hole right here. So I don't know who they've got shipping and delivering this stuff, but everybody wants convenience over quality, and that's today's society. But nothing's broken. Let's unbox this, see what we got. We'll just take it out the bottom since that was already ripped wide open. This is our pasta drying rack. You get the feet, they come out, they spread open. You set that down on the table with a nice little turn of the knob. All the polycarbonate arms fold out, which are 16 of them. This will hold 4 1/2 pounds of pasta. So now you just hang everything on your rack. You've got the wand. The wand is semicircle. You're going to put your pasta on it. You're going to slide it over and you're going to turn it and the pasta comes off. And we'll do a demo of that. It's time for the demo. Got the pasta roller, fettuccine cutter, got the mixer, got the drying rack, got the dough all made.
Steve-o!
Father Guido!
I hope you don't mind me intruding. I brought His Popeness with me today. I heard you had a new pasta apparatus. I had to come by and check it out. The homemade lasagna was so delicious, so I figured we come and watch.
Sure, you're welcome to hang out. It's only going to take a few minutes to make this pasta, and then we'll have ourselves some lunch. How about that? All right, let's do it. Here we go. There's 2.5 pounds of pasta on this pasta wheel, and it works out nice. Last time I made fettuccine, the stuff all stuck together. It looked like I had octopus balls. These are nice. They're individual noodles now. They'll cook up real nice.
Hey Steve-o, I'm over here looking at your noodles, and they look like crap. Did you ever think about learning how to use something before you try to show other people how to use it? I don't understand. Everything you touch turns into a turd. I can't figure it out. But you're a great example of a don't, and perhaps that's something to be proud of for you.
Hey, come on. Don't you ever have anything nice to say?
Hello, Father Guido.
Hello.
Your Popeness. How did you get the black eye?
The black eye. It's the craziest thing. I go outside of Vatican City. I go to the flea market, get me some fresh vegetables for dinner. I run into a Popeye. Popeye and I are acquaintances. I don't know him well. But he says to me, "Your Popeness, what will you be doing this weekend?" I told him I was going to Mount Olive. He punched me in the eye and he run away. I think that spinach making him crazy. Your Popeness, I know a Popeye. We make everything okay. I think I know why he's all upset. I have nieces and nephews in Mount Olive. I gotta go to Jersey to go see them. I don't know why he gets all upset about that.
Well, cheers with an icy cold gin and tonic, which today's tonic is a tonic syrup, which is absolutely delicious. Another video in the future. Father Guido, thanks for stopping by and bringing in his popeness. And Pope, I hope you're okay in Mount Olive. Sorry you got to go to New Jersey, but hey, everybody's got to do what they got to do. Maybe that's a penance for you. I don't know. Well, cheers. Thanks for watching. Take care. See ya.